Hello, this is Mary from Ontario Realty. How can I assist you today?
Hey Mary, my name is Zach. I am looking to sell a property here in Toronto, Ontario. I have a 3-bedroom house that I want to get rid of. I was wondering if your real estate firm can help me with that.
Hi, Zach. Nice to hear from you. We'd be happy to help you sell your 3-bedroom house in Toronto. Are you ready to sell within the next 6 months?
Oh, definitely. I want to get it done as soon as possible.
Great to hear that, Zach. Has your property been listed yet?
Not yet. I'm still trying to find the best real estate firm to do this job for me.
Got it. Are you looking to buy another property after selling this one?
I would definitely be open if something right comes along that fits what I'm looking for. I would be definitely open to it.
Great, Zach. Ontario Realty can definitely help you out. I just sent you a text message with the booking link to set your appointment with the team. Go ahead and follow the link, and I'll stay on the line in case you have any questions. One moment. It looks like the message was successfully sent. Let me know if you need any help with the booking process.
I got the booking link, Mary. Thank you so much. I will go ahead and book at the time of my choice. And thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, Zach. I'm glad I could help. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day.
Thank you so much, Mary. You as well. Take care. Bye-bye. So this is the message we received. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll put it on the screen. But it contains a Calendly link to book an appointment. And below it says that it contains a short video about this real estate firm showcasing their process. So a person can click on this link and go to a video and watch that video on YouTube. And if they want to book, they can just click on the Calendly link, finish up their booking there, which I found is a much better system than actually booking on the phone, because there's a lot of back and forth with times and phone numbers and dates and all that. So a person can just click on the link, choose the date of their choice, the time of their choice, complete the booking there. And yeah, they also have a short video to watch about the process of how the company works. So it works very well for me, and I hope I can build something like that for you as well. Thank you.